Today I'll be doing another Roller Coaster Tycoon test. For those of you who have Roller Coaster Tycoon with Steam app, I know a few people who don't have the app or the game Roller Coaster Tycoon wonder if they can still run it without Steam or an internet connection. So today I'm going to test it. I've disabled Steam in my list of apps. Over here, there's no Steam because I closed it. Here's my Roller Coaster Tycoon shortcut on my PC, and today I'm going to disable the internet. So right click on here and disable, and you'll see over here there's no internet connection anymore. So now, moment of truth. Oh, I can even show you. Load that, no internet. Perfect, right? So let's go load up Roller Coaster Tycoon. So the first thing that happens is Steam tries to run, and then it says could not connect. There was no network connection. So all you have to do is click on start in offline mode, and voila, Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 is running. So let me turn down the volume. For those who are worried that they need the Steam app and internet, the real thing you need, I think, is just the internet connection to install Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. But you can basically run this thing on offline mode, unless there's some reason you need internet to like maybe download some roller coasters or something. But you can see over here I have it running without an internet connection. It does try to open Steam, which we saw over here. It tries to open Steam, but there's no connection. So it says Steam is offline, and it asks you if you want to do offline mode. And so you're able to play. Here I can go and play Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. Just like normal. I'll play sandbox mode. Load. And there it is. It's loading. So again, just wanted to show you that even though you can purchase the serial key for the Steam app, the thing that you'll be doing is you'll be downloading the game and installing it onto your PC or Mac. But you can still run it offline without an internet connection. So that's the good thing.